Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a hopefully quick tutorial about how to purchase XRP with your Apple Pay account on your phone. And so today we're going to be using OnXRP, as you can see on the left-hand side on my phone screen, which is where we're going to be doing most of the tutorial. The right-hand side is OnXRP. It is the site that is going to host this on-ramp, so to speak, for you to purchase XRP with Apple Pay. Before we get started, I did want to throw in here that you will need a Zum wallet set up in order to send this XRP to. If you do not have a Zum wallet, this tutorial right here, which will be linked in the description below, will give you how to set up a Zum wallet. Now, you will need to ignore the second half of the video when it comes to Uphold, unless you want to buy more XRP there. But you're going to be essentially buying XRP and sending it to the wallet with the information in this tutorial. So this will take on the second half. But if you do not have a Zum wallet set up, please make sure to look in the description below for the link. That being said, and so I saw this article. It's been brought to my attention several times. I hear people wanting a tutorial. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So without further ado, let's get started here. So I'm going to go over to OnXRP. As you can see, it's the mobile version of what's on the right is what's on the left here. And we're going to actually go to cash on the bar on the just above the top. And we're going to switch to USD, which is because I'm in the US, which is why I'm making this video because it's so hard to get. Yes, US dollar is kind of what I'm hoping for here. It keeps zooming in on me. But I'm going to enter an amount. You have to be over $50 to use this. So I'm going to put 55. And so you can see that equates to 143.97 XRP at the moment. And again, just keep zooming in. I need to enter the wallet address. And of course, to do that, we're going to need to connect our wallet. So we're going to need to open Zum. We're going to hit that button just below the connect wallet button. And we're going to put in it's going to open Zum. So we're going to put in our passcode or use our face. And we're going to hit slide to accept down here. And we're going to put in our passcode or use our face or biometrics again. And we're going to hit close because we are now signed in. And we're going to go back to here. And we can see that we are connected. It has our wallet address under the receiving wallet right there. Then we need a wallet tag memo. I'm just going to put in here that this is going to be Apple Pay video. And so we've got that down. We can see that we have Apple Pay here selected. The gateway fee is 0.0199%. And I've read the terms and conditions. I'm going to you have to hit that checkbox and then you hit place order. And so, of course, it wants you to double check that address. And if you want to do so, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Zum. And you're going to see here, just click at the top under your account and it'll show you your full address. And so I can see on the left, it says RWT, and on the right, it says WHKR. So I'm going to go back, just confirm that real quick. On the left, it says RWT, and on the right, it says WHKR towards the bottom there. So I say looks correct. All right, so now it's going to ask us for your email and phone number and then to click the privacy checkbox and terms and conditions. So I'm going to do that and then I'll see you at the next screen. So now it's asking me to enter my name, my middle name, my last name, and date of birth, address, and let's go down here and the city, the subtown, the state or province, the zip code, and our country of residence. So I'm going to enter those in, and then I'm going to progress here. And of course, it says important for security purposes. We need more detail to prove that you're the real person, to help government fight terrorism, funding, money laundering, which is all good stuff, right? They want some more information, as maybe your driver's license as well. So we'll continue on here and then hit submit verification. I'll enter my name and I will see you if anything else pops up. So you can see here, since I'm a US citizen, it wants to also have my social security number. I'm going to use it. I'm going to put it down here and then I'm going to hit the submit verification button at the bottom and I'll see you all at the next screen. All right, so this is the next screen. It's now asking me to pay with Apple Pay. It's using Banxa. And so I want to show this real quick because Sologenic is another, I've made a couple different videos about how to buy some of your favorite XRPL tokens using Sologenic. And you can see it uses Banxa here too. So Apple Pay is probably also available here on Sologenic, just to let you know, in case you're looking for another site, in case for whatever reason you don't like on XRP. But for some reason, it's been very seamless for me in my experience so far. So just to give you that extra option. So now I'm going to hit the buy with Apple Pay button right there. Next, I'm going to select the card that I want to use for my, I'm not going to use this card here. I'm going to use another one. So I'm going to select it, and then I'll be back at a second to tell you what to do. All right, so now I've selected the correct card by hitting just that box under Apple Pay there that's kind of blurred out. So now I'm going to pay with Touch ID to verify, and then we'll move on. Alrighty, so it has just taken the payment, and now I'm on the Your Order screen from Banxa. Very familiar with this. It says that it's taken the payment, I have my identity, and now it's trying to fulfill the order. It is 1:52 right now, and we'll see how long it takes us to get our XRP.
One eternity later.
So it is now 2:27 p.m. That's almost 40 minutes or 30 or 40 minutes. And it is now processing. I will give you an update here as soon as I get another one. All right, it is now 2:34. And again, that's about, 30, 40 minutes difference right there. I've heard other people tell me Banxa takes about approximately 1 to 2 hours for them. So do not fear until you pass that mark, because it could take a few hours to do so. I'm doing this on the weekend. You may experience something different during the week. But that is the tutorial, everyone, and I have now purchased XRP with my Apple Pay. So of course, if you enjoyed this, I'd love to hit the like button, comment up below, of course, share with your friends how to buy XRP. It's an easy way to do so, as well as, of course, always appreciate those of you who subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thank you so much. I'm JTXRP, and I'm out.